Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A2x and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you want to personalize, select edit icon and tap on add picture. Now you need to select the source from which you want to pick this picture. It can be camera, so you can make a picture straight away. You can select something from your gallery, from Google Photos, or illustrations, however you like. Let me choose some illustration, for example this one. Now you can customize it with some preset, and then tap on choose. Select save, and as you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.